Entering the hall are the graduating students from STEM 15 with their class advisor, Miss Maria Cristina R. Joven.
Incoming are the graduating students from STEM 16 with their class advisor, Ms. Fatima S. Pajardo.
May we now present the graduates from STEM 15 with their advisor, Ms. Maria Cristina R. Joven. Santos Juven May R. with honors. Santos Yesha Mikhaila S. And Velasco Japni Sam J. with honors. Ladies and gentlemen, the graduates of STEM 15, congratulations.
We now welcome the